Hello viewers, this is the weekly video which you all wait every week to be discussed for the next week trading. So I will discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty, what is going to happen next week in Nifty and Bank Nifty, what are the various levels which you have to watch, and what is the strategy for the positional trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Especially I make these videos for positional traders who do not have sufficient time to track the whole day. So it is really important for them to watch it carefully. First, I will talk about some introduction because some of the new viewers might not be able to know what this channel provides to them. So this is the channel Trade and Grow, which provides the daily technical analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, this Trade and Grow channel, and you can get that analysis from the community tab. If you want to know more about the membership, then this is the tab where you can get all the information, and this is a join button from where you can join this channel. Every day you will get the precise predictions of Nifty and Bank Nifty along with the complete trade idea which I discuss on alternate days. Whatever the predictions I give in daily analysis, that I discuss on the alternate days, how you have had to trade on these predictions. So that is also the benefit for you. Now let us discuss about the last week predictions. What are the predictions I made regarding the Nifty and Bank Nifty? I will play a clip so that you can remember what were my predictions regarding these two indexes, and then I'll compare with the current move. This is the chart of Nifty futures. In this chart, I made only 3 lines. Basically, these are the halts, but I will call these 2 halts as a zone. The upper 2 halts consider as a zone. This is a zone, right? And this is one support level. What I expect from Nifty, that is the price would remain between these 2 territories, right? You heard the clip of last week prediction regarding Nifty, and I gave you this level as expiry level. You can see in my wordings I completely told you that on precision basis this would be the expiry range, and just check the weekly candle that is expired between these 2 limits. And most important is that upper part took resistance from this level, right? This is the precision I every week try to share with you so that you people can use this information in your trading and can make money from this analysis. So this is about my weekly prediction of Nifty and how it went, that is in front of you. Now let us discuss about the next week. What is going to happen in this index next week? Please listen it carefully. For this I have to remove the previous lines so that there should not be any confusion regarding the levels. Now these are the levels which you have to use for the next week trading. What you have to understand in these levels, see, basically the range would be this would be the expiry range, right? But there are some conditions for the this expiry range. If the conditions get violated, then the range will change. It might shift to this range, right? So basically the range would be first range which I marked, but on certain condition it would change to this range. How it will change, that I discuss with you, and you have to keep that points in your mind. Better you write in your notebook so that whenever the price action matches with this information, then you can use that information in your trading. This is the level you have to watch. If this level is not taken out or it is not crossed with the momentum to downside, you will not think about this limit. You will think about this limit only when it is taken out on the 1 hour time frame. If the price breaches this level on the 1 hour time frame and it gives you this sort of action that is called taken out action like this, then this level will be violated, right? Until this action is not seen, don't think that this level is going to be violated. Yes, it can break, it can breach like this, but it would recover in next 1 to 2 hours to upside in the same range. If that happens, it means this level is intact, right? So this would be your lower limit, because I have given the precision level limit, that is this limit. And similarly, the same condition is for the upside. If the price is taken out in the 1 hour time frame to the upside, then this level would breach, right? And this limit will shift, lower limit will shift to the low of this day, low of this week, right? Then you have to take this as a lower limit for this week, right? Now you have to see, you cannot just go into the position of this side, short side or the upside. You have to make strangle of this limit and this limit. It means if you are going to make the strangle, what you have to see, you have to see the price action on Monday, right? So I have converted this chart on the 1 hour time frame. What you have to see for taking position, that is this level, right? Let the price on Monday come to this level or near to this level. It may come to this point, or it may touch this level. So you have to wait for the Monday. If this thing happens and price after coming this point or near this level, price starts consolidating like this, right? Then you can use this level as a support for CE, for PE selling, right? Then you can sell the PE at this level, but that process should be seen on the daily on the 1 hour time frame on Monday or on Tuesday. It is not necessary that you have to go into the position on Monday. You just need to see this action or wait till Tuesday. Better to take position on Tuesday after 2 p.m. That would be the right time to take your position, because in up to that time this move would be very much clear whether the price would come to this level or it consolidates. That information will be clear with this timing. But it may also possible that the price would come down slightly on the Monday, and after that it would remain range bound in this range, right? If it happens like this, then leave Monday for any sort of position. You come on Tuesday. If the price does not cross this level, right? If the price on Tuesday does not cross this level and it becomes this range bound in this manner, then this is the signal that this level is going to be intact, and your lower limit is also going to be intact. Then you can sell your position of these two levels, CE of this level and PE of this level, keeping the buffer of 100 points to the upside and lower side. That will be the trade which will be seen on Tuesday, right? But if in case the price breaks till Tuesday at this level, right, then you have to see whenever the price breaks this level, does the price come into the same territory in 1 to 2 hours? If it is not coming, right, then it is the signal that the price would move towards this point. So in that case, what you have to see, you have to wait for that day or the next day when the price opens gap down near this level. Then this is a signal that the price is going to take support on this level. Then you take entry by keeping this level PE to be sold, right? And your upper limit would not be that. Your upper limit would change to the EMA, 171 EMA, where the 171 EMA would be that keep the buffer of 100 points in that limit, that would be the upper limit. This point is really very interesting point, because it is it may possible that you would not understand what I am saying here. I am saying that if the price crosses this level any day and remains range bound like this, then it has a quite possibility that the price would come to this level, but you will not take the decision of taking entry. You will have to wait for the next day. If the price opens gap down and comes to this level and takes support, then you make this level as a entry level for the PE selling, and your upper limit would be the EMA, the 171 EMA, where the 171 EMA will lie. That will be the upper limit, keeping the 100 points buffer. In this way, your limit would be this, right? Now, next condition, if the price starts moving to upside on Monday or Tuesday and crosses this level, then you have to wait for the next day opening. If that next day opening is below this level, it means it is a clear indication that after opening the price is taking resistance. It is a clear indication that this is going to be your upper limit. Immediately take your position and sell this level by keeping the buffer, and this would be your lower limit, right? Or if in case the price on Monday or Tuesday breaks this level, and then it starts taking support of this level, it means that this would be your support point, and this would be your ultimate point, right? In that case, what you have to do, you have to sell the C of this level, P of this level, keeping the buffer of at least 200 points, not 100 point. In this case, you have to keep the buffer of 200 point, right? And then sell this level, P of this level. The price would remain in this territory then. Okay, these are the conditions which you have to see in form of price action. If you do not understand what I said here, then watch this video 2-3 times and try to understand what I am saying. Mark everything on the chart. That will help you to understand the price action, because price action is ultimate. Without understanding price action, you cannot understand what I am saying here. So this is about the next week for the Nifty. Now let us discuss about the Bank Nifty. What predictions I gave for the Bank Nifty and how the market reacted on these predictions. Please see the clip so that you can recall what I said. Bank Nifty, I made only 3 halts like this, right? But these 3 halts should be converted into one zone. This is called one zone, and this is one halt, right? This would be your upper limit, and this would be your lower limit. But how you have to use this limit for making the triangle, so that the expiry should be between in these limits, right? You heard the clip of last week prediction regarding Bank Nifty. I gave you the limit, that is that zone, and that is the support level, blue color. So I gave you this as a expiry limit, right? Now you can see the price action. This is a weekly candle and exactly took a resistance from this level, the lower end of the zone, and expired between this limit. It means whatever the information I imparted with you, that is already in front of you in form of this precision. Exactly the same level, the price took resistance and came down, ultimately expired between this limit. So that sort of information every week I try to give it to you, so that you can play with this information and make some money. Now let us discuss about the next week. What is going to happen next week? For this, I will have to erase the last week lines so that you can understand it better. Are the points which you have to keep in your mind. See, I made 4 halts. There is no zone this time. I made 4 halts. It means either I am expecting the expiry between this level right? Or between this level and between this level. It means in this case there are three possibilities of expiry. How you have to use these possibilities, let us discuss about that. This is the level which you have to see in trading on Monday and Tuesday. If this level is intact, the price does not cross this level, or it crosses this level slightly to downside and then recovers in next 1 to 2 hours to upside in the same range, then this is a signal that the price might expire between this limit or between this limit, right? Now, how will you decide the upper limit? In this case, the lower limit is decided by this action. This action is if the price either remains above this level or it crosses this level and it recovers in next 2-3 hours to upside, then this is a signal that the price is going to expire between this limit or this limit. So that lower limit is in front of you, but you cannot take the position after seeing this price action, because you have to wait for the next day opening. If this thing happens on the Monday, then you have to wait for the Tuesday opening. If the Tuesday opening is above this level, right, and it comes to this point, it means this is the confirmation that this level is going to stay. You can sell the CE of this level, PE of this level, and upper limit we have to see whether this will work or this will work. That depends upon the price action. If the price comes to this level and takes out this level on the 1 hour time frame to the upside, then this limit is going to work, right? But if does not take out or does not fulfill this condition of 1 hour to upside and price comes down in the same region, the same range, then this range is going to work. That you have to keep in your mind. Now, next condition, if price crosses this level and does not recover same day in this territory, or in 1 to 2 hours in this territory, then what is going to happen? The price will consolidate here, and when you see the price is consolidating, it means the next day you see the price action. If this happens on Monday, then you see the next day Tuesday opening. If the Tuesday opening is between this range, then in next 1 to 2 hours, if it is not going to upside, it means the price would expire near this level, and your limit would be not this, right? It would be the open of this candle, right? The open of this candle, and this is your limit. Don't take this as a limit. But since I give you the buffer, of at least 200 points in Bank Nifty, so then you can use this limit as a upper limit for selling of CE. Okay, in that case you have to sell the PE of this level and CE of this level. That would be your expiring limit. I always make strangles, because in strangle, if the price expires in your range, you can get benefit of expiring from this level, and you can get the benefit of premium from this level. So both levels premium you can eat if you make the strangle. That is why I prefer for the positional traders to be in strangle formation. They should use the strangle formation so that they can eat the profit or the premium of the both sides. This is how the next week is going to play in Bank Nifty. Hope you would understand each and every point of my predictions and will use in your trading whenever you feel comfortable with the price action. Thank you for watching this video. I'll meet you next week with the new information. Till then, take care and goodbye.